We got a nice tight seal on the speaker ring, no gaps around the edges. You can really tell that second skin rope did a good job of adhering the metal to the plastic. But now we're gonna go one step further to make sure that our speakers sound as good as they can with a speaker tweaker. We're gonna take a little second skin speaker tweaker and mount it directly behind the speaker, because as you can tell in our application, there's just a tiny little strip of stock sound deadener there. So this will help disperse the back waves coming from our speaker and give us a better sound quality. We'll give these puppies some time to dry and move on to my least favorite part of installing door speakers. And that is running new wires through the door, through the grommet, back to the amplifier. It's just a pain in the butt, but I've come to make it a little bit easier, and I hope I can make your day a little bit easier too with a little trick that I found out. I haven't seen anybody do this before, but it basically entails taking a very big zip tie, taking the ends of your speaker wire, sticking it in the end where you would ordinarily click through the plastic, and then you can actually fish through grommets, holes, and different areas that are difficult to access. All that I do is dislodge the original grommet so I can get the tape off it and fish through a new run of 14 gauge wire. And then my big little sticky here can do the hardest part, which is getting through that hard to reach area up into the other point where you can yank it out the other side. But I've come to learn that this method works best for me for sure. Well, that was pretty easy, wouldn't you say? All wired up through the door, no problems. If you guys have any helpful tricks and tips that you use to get your wires through tight places and crevices, let us know in the comments, because we're about